Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a whole day of eating from Gwyneth Paltrow's brand Goop. It's basically like a health and wellness website. I really like it. I know it's been kind of controversial for some people, but I think if you actually go on the website, look at the recipe parts. That's what I'm going to be kind of focusing on today. There are a lot of different kinds of recipes. I feel like there is this belief with her brand that she eats like wheatgrass shots and like matcha and, you know, lettuce, like all like kale, all the little Hollywood health stuff. But there's actually a lot of recipes on there. I think she does a really good job, her and the brand, I think they do a really good job of taking something that's traditional like a taco with flour tortillas and maybe substituting it for something slightly healthier like an almond tortilla, or like I think they use like jicama also for tacos. So we're actually going to be doing breakfast, lunch, and dinner, all from Goop. And for lunch we're actually going to go to the Goop Kitchen restaurant that just opened up in Costa Mesa. So I think that'll be a really cool treat. I've had it before because I work in LA, so I get food from there. Not frequently, but I really like their food. So yeah, we're gonna be doing that today. So let's get this day started. So we're gonna start off the day with a smoothie called My Day Smoothie. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out all the ingredients and let's get started. It's kind of late today, it's a Sunday. I slept in a little bit and I don't care. Okay, so 1 cup of plant-based milk. We're going to be using coconut. Cup of ice. 1/4 cup of frozen avocados. I cut these up last night and I froze them so I could do this. 1 scoop of protein powder. This is literally as big as my head. 2 dates. Make sure they don't have the pit in them. 1 tablespoon of cashew butter. 1 tablespoon of cow nibs. She looks really thick. Thick AF. What the Not my blade falling out before my actual smoothie. This is so thick. It's giving no flavor. The avocado is not overpowering, but it's like kind of takes away the taste of everything else. So you can still get like a hint of vanilla from the protein powder, but everything else, like I can't really taste anything. It tastes like avocados. Like it doesn't have a taste to it. And it's really thick. It's like the consistency of a smoothie bowl instead of a smoothie. However, you do get the little hints of dates in there, which is really nice. Okay, so I'm here at Goop Kitchen. It's not actually a restaurant, it's like a weird like Uber Eats, Grubhub, DoorDash like pickup site. So it's interesting to see what it's gonna be like because I've never been somewhere like this before. So let's check it out together. Okay, goods are secured and we are on our way home. Okay, we got lunch from Goop Kitchen. I ordered the teriyaki bowl with chicken. I'm covering my information on here because it has my phone number and stuff, but it comes with the dressing on the side. There's the little bowl. Okay, I got extra teriyaki. Comes with the chicken breast, avocados, broccoli, little ginger, and a little kale salad. Also has rice, brown rice in it. It's actually really good. I've had this before. The struggle is real. Let's have a bite. That's really good. Put some of the teriyaki in it. That's actually really good. 9 out of 10. All right, welcome back to my kitchen. There's Mason. Say hi, Mace. Hello. I'll show you Murphy too. This is Murph. Murph, say hi. Those are my children. Okay, so welcome back to the kitchen. We are getting ready to make dinner. We are gonna have a whole roasted branzino with like an olive relish, and then we're also gonna have a little side of cauliflower with brown butter sage. And like I said, this are all recipes from Goop. My dog's drinking water, if that's what you can hear. Okay, so for the branzino, you're gonna need olive oil, lemons, fennel, leeks, parsley that we have from our garden, olives, the specific kind, white wine vinegar, and some shallots. And of course, the star of the show, the branzino is in the fridge because they just be chilling. It's in here. It looks sick right now, but it's gonna be really tasty. For the cauliflower, you need cauliflower, sage, butter, and then of course like salt and pepper. And then we have our oven preheating at 425. Cauliflower. We're gonna generously coat the cauliflower with olive oil. Adding some salt. Okay, this is definitely not from the Goop website, but Gwyneth Paltrow says that she likes to drink whiskey on the rocks.
Or I'll have whiskey on the rocks, like a Japanese whiskey on the rocks usually. So basically I'm turning into an old Jewish man.
So I'm gonna have some while I make dinner. She drinks Japanese whiskey, which is also one of my favorites. I don't have any in the house because like we don't really drink that much. I have this bullet bourbon from like a while ago. I have a bigger bottle too, just for like entertaining when guests come over. But since I've had this for a while, I'm gonna use this. I have my little fun ice cube in there. Well guys, cheers. Hi, asking for a friend. Asking for myself because I'm about to cook this recipe. But are we supposed to cut off these guys? I don't know. I think I've cooked fennel once in my life. Alexa, do you eat the hairy parts of a fennel?
I'm not sure.
So I think we can just use obviously the bulb and then like up to here. Leeks. All right, if you guys ever cook with leeks, make sure you wash the shit out of them because they are so dirty. Got my leeks, lemon, and fennel in there. I'm gonna add some olive oil and salt and mix it up. Doesn't that look so good? All right, it's time to cut the fish. Okay, my boyfriend did request for the head to be chopped off. It doesn't really gross me out because I like grew up with that. So I'm gonna attempt to cut the head off from his fish. I'm gonna make little slits in them. This way they basically absorb like this any kind of seasoning and stuff you put in better. She is full, but she is a beaut. Okay, 1/4 cup of butter, sage, Looks so yum. Here is my gorgeous plate. Added the olive stuff, top of the fish, broccoli, or not broccoli, cauliflower, and then the sides of veggies. Alright, I have to squeeze in lemon on my fish. Ooh, the skin is so crispy. Love the idea of like broiling it. That's really good. The fish is flavored just perfectly. Cauliflower is so good. Let's go for a leek. Really good. This is such a good dinner. It's so different. It's so easy to make. It's pretty affordable. Ingredients are pretty simple, honestly, and it tastes really good. I think I give this a 9 out of 10. We're finishing up the day with my nighttime patches, you know, skin routine. Okay, so overall, I think the day was pretty good. Breakfast was a little bit disappointing. Lunch I really liked because I got to go out and get carry out. But yeah, that's it. We're gonna wrap up the day today, and that brings us to the end of this video. We're a new channel, so please help and support us, and please subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.